Okay, so now I am going to discuss only the last question of the Hasse diagram. Okay. After that, no question will be solved based on this Hasse diagram. So suppose we have one set 1, 2, 3, and we write the power set of it. In this we have element 5, singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Okay. So we want to draw the Hasse diagram for PA under this subset relation. Okay, so phi, this is uh, this element is actually a subset of every set. Now next element we write here is singleton 1. Okay, so is there any relationship between 1 and phi? Yes, phi is subset of singleton. Is there any relationship between phi and 2? Yes, phi is subset of. Is there any relationship between phi and 3? Yes. Okay, because phi is subset of 3 also. Okay. Now you check that are these elements in relation? One singleton 1 is not subset of singleton. So there should not be any connecting line between 1 and 2. Okay. Singleton 2, singleton 2, this is not a subset of singleton 3. Okay. So there should not be any connecting line between 2 and 3. Okay. So the next element is 1, 2. Now you see that singleton 1 is obviously subset of this because this element is also in this set. Okay. Similarly, 2, this element is also in this. 2 is in this. Okay. Now, what is the next element? Next element, but 3, do not join 3 with this because 3 is not the member of this set. Okay. Now, next element is 1, 3. Okay, suppose I write 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here. So you see that this element is in relation with this because 3 is the member of this element, this set, sorry, and 3 is also the member of this set. Okay, and then 1, 3. Okay, but this 2 is not a member of this, so do not join this 2 with this. Then the next element is 2. So you see that this 2, this is in relation with 2, 3, and this set is also in relation with. Okay. Then in the end we have 1, 2. So you see that 1, 2, this set is found in this. So clearly it is a subset of this. Similarly, 2, 3, this is also found in this. Okay. So this is subset of this, and then 1, 3, 1 and 3. Both these elements are in this set. So this element. Okay. Now, if you are asked that tell us that what is the maximal element. So the maximal element you can tell me that it is 1, 2, 3 because it is not further connected to any other element. Okay. Least element it is just 5. Okay. And then greatest element, the greatest element. You see that every set, every set is actually subset of this set. Okay. Every set is subset of this set. It means that this element, mean every other element is in relation with this element. Okay. So here we have the greatest element 1, 2, 3, and least element. In the least element we have here this element phi because phi is in relation with every other element because phi is the subset of this set, phi is subset of this, phi is subset of this, phi is subset of this, but phi is subset of every set. Okay, so that therefore phi is the least element. Okay, so thank you very much, students. Mean no more further example based on a Hasse diagram will be discussed. Okay, so now you please practice some question on. Thank you very much.